Instagram search is about to get a brain boost to fight TikTok's takeover. Smarter content hunts, comment-powered suggestions, Adam Mosseri spilling the tea on a major update. Is this the move to win back Gen Z? Let's dive in. Hey Tech fam, welcome back to the channel. Your spot for the juiciest social media scoops. Instagram's gearing up to flex on TikTok with a beefed up search feature. The news dropped and IG's head honcho Adam Mosseri is promising big changes. TikTok's eating their lunch, so let's unpack how Instagram is leveling up. Stick around. So what's cooking? Mosseri spilled it on the Build Your Tribe podcast. Instagram search sucks at finding specific content. Want a meme or recipe? Good luck. It's all accounts, not vibes. TikTok's got the edge with its snappy video search, and Gen Z's hooked. People say IG's hired hotshot devs to fix this, and Mosseri's like, we're on it. The plan? Make search smarter. Think less, who's this user, and more, where's that fire post? X posts are buzzing. Users are saying, finally, IG gets it. And the kicker? They're stealing a TikTok trick, pulling context from comments for recommended suggestions, picture typing, dance trends, and bam, relevant reels, not just randos. It's in the works, rolling out soon, late spring vibes. Why is this trending? TikTok's user base is exploding. Short-form videos king, and studies say young users ditch Google for apps like these. Instagram's curated pictures still slap, but search is where they're losing. Mosseri admitted, we're behind on content discovery. And with TikTok pulling Gen Z, Instagram's gotta stay relevant. People are saying, TikTok search is my vibe, IG's gotta catch up. This update isn't just a tweak, it's survival. Smarter suggestions means creators' old posts could pop off again, boosting visibility. Sources say it's meta flexing muscle. More dev power, more edge. Soon, your summer fit search might actually deliver. Here's the real talk. This hits iOS and Android soon, think June 2025, and it's a win for users and creators. Finding that viral reel or hidden gem? Easier. For creators, it's gold. Long-term content, not just a 24-hour hype. Ex-creators are hyped by saying, my old posts might live. And Mosseri's betting it keeps IG in the Gen Z game. TikTok's influence is massive, but Instagram's fighting back with smarts, not just filters. Your squirrel's about to get a brain. Ready to search like a pro? Team Instagram or Team TikTok? Where are you at? Drop your take in the comments.